a road roller, a sweet laddu. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are in exercise 5.8 now. In 5.8, question number 1 and question number 2 we have to do. Okay? From 3, 4, 5, we do not have to attempt. Chalo, who will read this question? Question number 8. Sorry, question number 1, exercise 5.8.
Sir, Abbas.
Yes, beta, come on.
Examine whether the following are polygon.
Examine whether the followings are polygon.
If anyone among these is not, say why.
Chalo, who will tell me? First diagram. Is this polygon?
No,
Why?
because it is open shape.
Very good.
Open.
No, it is not polygon because the diagram is with the help of line segment, but it is not closed figure. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Second,
Yes, it is polygon.
it is polygon because it is a closed figure and which is prepared with the help of line segment. Got it? See, answer column આપણે જોતા જ જઈએ. Question number 1. As it is, first answer, as it is not a closed figure, therefore it is not a polygon. It is a polygon because it is closed, prepared with the help of line segment. Second one. Understood? Third one, chalo.
It is not polygon because it has not line segment.
Very good. It is not a polygon because it is a closed figure, but it is not prepared with the help of line segment. Understood, boys?
Yes.
Chalo, last one.
No, it is also not polygon.
It is not polygon because it is closed figure, but the third line, the base line, is not with the help of line segment. It is curved. Are you getting?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with question number 1?
No, it is very much easy.
Yes, the whole chapter is very much easy because we are just understanding and recognizing the shapes, nothing else. Name each polygon now. What is the name of this polygon? Number A.
So what do we have to do?
We have to just simply name the polygons. We don't have to do anything else. આ ચાર ડાયાગ્રામ આપ્યા છે, ચારેયના નામ આપવાના છે. What is this diagram? Second one,
Triangle.
triangle. Then what is this one? How you got triangle in this?
Because its shape is like triangle.
No, because it has 3 sides. Are you getting? So what about this first diagram? Who will tell me? How many line segments are there?
4.
So 4 line segments means what's the name of the diagram? Come on. It is quadrilateral because it has 4 line segment. It is known as quadrilateral. Look here. Some number A quadrilateral. Some number B triangle. This is the diagram in whatever shape it may be. If it is prepared with the help of 4 line segment, that means it is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral એટલે 4 લાઇન થી પ્રિપેર થયેલો ડાયાગ્રામ. એમાં સ્ક્વેર પણ આવી ગયું, રેક્ટેંગલ આવી ગયું, રોમ્બસ, પેરેલેલોગ્રામ, ટ્રેપેઝિયમ, etc. etc. All the shapes are covered in the quadrilateral. Second diagram is triangle. What about third one?
Sir,
Sir, it
pentagon.
has 5 sides means pentagon.
Pentagon. What about last diagram?
Octagon, 8 sides.
Very good. So your question number 2 is over. With the help of this question number 2, your exercise 5.8 is over. Okay? Chalo. Question number exercise 5.1, question number 1. Only question number 1 we have to do. Chalo, say true or false. Each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Each angle of a rectangle is
Sir,
right angle.
true.
हाँ बोलो बेटा. Wait, I'll show you how is it true. See, what is the question? This is a rectangle, right? So each angle is a right angle. They are asking such question. That means બધા angle right angle છે. From here to here it is right angle. This one is also right angle. This is also right angle, and this is also right angle. So is it all 4 angles are right angles?
Yes.
So first statement is what? False, right?
Sir, true.
True. Very good. Chalo. Question number B. Please read it fast.
The opposite side of rectangle are equal in length.
The opposite
Sir,
sides
yes,
of a
yes.
rectangle. Sorry?
True.
True. Why? Because the opposite sides. This side will be equal to this side, and this breadth will be equal to this breadth. So opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So it is true. Chalo. Then
The diagonal. Sir, what is
diagonals. Diagonals, not diagonals.
the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another.
What they are asking, diagonal of square. If for example this is square, okay, barabar na? So diagonals of a square means what? They are talking about this diagonal means a crossed line from here to here. Wait, I'll do it with this. From here to here, this one is one diagonal, and this one is the another diagonal. Now they are saying, are they perpendicular to each other? Are they perpendicular? Can I say that they are forming right angle on all 4 sides?
Yes.
So is it true or false?
True.
True. The diagonal of a square are perpendicular to one another. True. They are perpendicular to one another. Yes. All the sides of a rhombus are of equal length.
True.
How? Rhombus is one kind of square, only it is
Yes.
in a slant
Diamond.
form, diamond shape. So all the sides of a square are, if the square is equal, then rhombus will also be equal. Are you getting? So again, all the sides of a rhombus are equal, are of equal length. It is true. Okay?
Yes.
Chalo, all the sides of parallelogram are of equal length. Parallelogram equal length છે. See, rectangle is equal in length, all four sides.
Yes.
Rectangle is equal in length on all four sides. Yes. All four sides are equal in rectangle.
Two side equal and two side.
So if two sides are equal in rectangle, so how come it possible that parallelogram will be having all four sides equal?
False.
Even parallelogram will be not having all four sides equal. So question number E is what? False. Are you getting the content? Chalo, then
Yes.
last one. The opposite sides of trapezium are parallel.
Which shape is that? Trapezium.
આ કયો shape હતો? Any odd shape can be known as trapezium. અને પેલાની એક્સરસાઇઝમાં તમે રેકગ્નાઇઝ કર્યું, what was this shape? Trapezium is prepared with the help of four line segment, any shape, in any form. Understood?
Sir, false.
So it will be false. The opposite sides are never equal. All four sides are with the different length. See, if you prepare a triangle like this with three different shapes, three different measurement of line segment, right? So it is known as scalene triangle. કયું triangle કહેવાય છે? તમે કહેતા હતા scalene triangle. So એવી જ રીતે જો four line segment અલગ-અલગ measurement ની draw કરીને diagram થાય, so that is known as trapezium. What does it known as? Trapezium. Are you all cleared now?
Yes.
Boys. So in this exercise, we have to do only question number 1. Okay? Question number 2 and 3 is not the exam oriented questions. A square is a regular quadrilateral. You can draw it by your own also at home. No need to worry. Understood? A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. તો એ કયું ફિગર હોય ક્વાડ્રિલેટરલમાં? સ્ક્વેર. કયું ફિગર હોય જેના ચારેય સાઇડ્સ ઇક્વલ હોય ને ચારેય લેન્થ એંગલ્સ ઇક્વલ હોય, એવું કયું ફિગર હોય ઇન ધ ક્વાડ્રિલેટરલ? જેની ચારેય સાઈડ ઇક્વલ હોય, જેની ચારેય એંગલ્સ ઇક્વલ હોય, એવો કયો ફિગર હોય ક્વાડ્રિલેટરલમાં? ક્વાડ્રિલેટરલ મીન્સ વોટ? સ્ક્વેર કે નહીં? Quadrilateral is
Yes.
square or not?
Yes.
Can we say it is square also?
Yes.
So in square, the length also is equal, all four sides, and the angles of all four sides is also equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
So answer is a regular quadrilateral is a square. A square is a regular quadrilateral. समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं? Have you all understood this question?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Exercise 5.6. 5.6, question number 1, 2 and 3 we have to do. Question number 4, activity છે. 3 matchstick ગોઠવીને 4 matchstick ગોઠવીને triangle બનાવવાનું છે. 5 matchstick ગોઠવીને 6 ને. So this is not exam oriented and this we do not have to do it. Even in Fairbook also, huh? We do not have to do this.
Sir, how
Chalo.
do we know that this exercise, this question we have to do, this not?
Have you know means what? I already told you this in class also. Right now also I am speaking.
Okay.
So what is the another thing I can do for you? Whole chapter is included in objectives. Let me clear you, okay? Only the sums are based to recognize the shapes, nothing else. Chalo, exercise 5.6. Question number 1. Name the type of following triangles. Triangle with lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 and 9 centimeter. चलो कौन कैसे है? Triangle with length. We have to name the triangles. We already named the quadrilaterals, right? Now we have to name the triangles.
Scale line triangle.
Sorry?
Scale line triangle.
It's scale line na ave, scale na ave. What do you mean by scale line triangle? It's scalene triangle. S-C-A-L-E-N-E. Scalene triangle. A triangle having three sides which are different. That means it is known as scalene triangle. If this is of what centimeter it is given? 7. 7. This is 8, and if this is 9, so all three sides are different. So what is the name of the triangle? Scalene triangle. Understood?
Yes.
Now triangle ABC with AB. AB means this line segment. AB is 8.7 centimeter. A and C is 7 centimeter. And line segment BC is 6 centimeter. Again, all three sides are different. What type of a triangle is this?
Scale.
Sorry?
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle. Very good. Again, it is scalene triangle. Third one. Read kar jaldi. Muhammad Fazil.
Yes, sir. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter.
So in triangle PQR, PQ will be equal to QR. This will be equal to this. And PR also is equal. So all three sides are equal with the measure of 5 centimeter. Then
So then I saw that triangle.
if all three sides are equal, what does this mean?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Here it is. Equilateral triangle. Girls class ઘણી હોશિયાર છે તમારી કરતા સિરિયસલી એને એક્સપ્લેનેશનમાં જ આખું ચેપ્ટર સમજાઈ ગયું. ચલો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર ડી. Triangle DEF with measure angle D is equal to 90 degree. One angle is of 90 degree. Now what to do?
For right angle.
Right angle triangle. Like this it is. One angle is 90 degree. So now what can be done? So if any of one angle is 90 degree, it is known as right angle triangle. Third one. Triangle XYZ with measure angle Y 90 degree and XY and XY is equal to YX. That means, let me clear you. This is what XYZ. Y is 90 degree. Chalo. Y is said to be 90 degree. X, Y and Z. So X will be right here. Y is 90 degree and Z is over here. Now what they are saying, that they have Y as 90 degree. Measure angle Y is 90 degree, right? Now XY and YZ. XY means this side and this side is equal. So which kind of a triangle is this? Come on. Can we say that if two sides are equal, can we say that isosceles triangle?
Yes. Isosceles right angle triangle.
Isosceles right angle triangle. Very good. ખાલી isosceles નથી, but isosceles માં શું છે? Right angle include છે. What is it included in that? Along with it, the right angle is included in that. So right angle triangle was the fourth one. Isosceles right angle triangle is the fifth triangle. Understood? Isosceles right angle triangle. Chalo, last one. Triangle LMN with angle L 30 degree, angle M 70 degree, and angle N 80 degree. Oh, આવડવું જ જોવે.
Acute angle triangle. Easy.
Very good. Acute angle triangle. Very good, bacha. All three sides, all three angles are less than 90 degree. So it is said to be acute angle triangle. Chalo, match the following. Question number 2. Match the following. Three sides of equal length. तो कयो triangle આવશે?
Equally means equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Very good. Two sides of equal length. Two sides of equal length.
Scalene triangle.
हैं? बराबर समझ. All sides are not different. ये scaling up है. Two sides are of equal length.
Then last
Isosceles triangle. Very good. Two sides of equal length means this triangle. See, are you અહીં આપેલું જ છે જો. Two sides of equal length. That means આ line ને આ line equal હોય, third line અલગ હોય. So it is known as what? Isosceles triangle. All sides are of different length. Come on, all sides are of different length. Scalene triangle, very good. Three acute angles. Three acute angles in the triangle. કયું angle હતું આ? Last sum what we did in question number 1. Acute angle. So three acute angles will be having always acute angle triangle. One right angle will be having
what?
question number 5. One right angle. If the triangle is having one right angle, then which kind of a triangle will be there?
Sir,
Type of
so
a
much
triangle.
right angle.
Right angle. One obtuse angle, then one obtuse angle, then
C, obtuse angle.
obtuse angle.
Obtuse.
Yes. One right angle with two sides of equal length. One right angle with two sides of equal length.
Isosceles right angle.
Isosceles right angle. What do you mean by that? Isosceles right angle. That means two sides are equal. मैं तुमने અહીંયા समझाયું. Two sides are equal and one point is right angle. Understood?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 3 you have to do by your own. The diagrams are given. In PDF it is given. Okay, you have to simply do what? You have to name each of the triangles. Okay? કાઈ બીજું કરવાનું નથી. In two different ways. કયા બે different way માં? Okay, one, you have to measure the sides. I mean, you have to check the sides whether it is isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, or equilateral triangle. And second, you have to check out the angles. Okay?
Okay.
Is that clear? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Exercise 5.5. Job, exercise 5.9 આપણે આખી કરી, boys. Okay? Boys, I'm revising. Pay attention, all of you.
Yes, yes.
Exercise 5.9, we have completely done. Exercise 5.8, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay? Then, exercise 5.7, question number 1, question number 1 and 3. Okay? 2 is included, but it is not exam oriented, so I have not make you write down in your fair book. Then, exercise 5.6, question number 1, 2, and 3. Got it? Match the pair and question number 3. You have to do by your own. Only you have to name the triangles. That's it. No need to draw the triangles. Huh? Okay, boys?
Yes.
Exercise 5.1 we did fully. 5.1. Right?
સર બધું લખીએ તો ચાલે?
બધું લખો તોય no problem. No need to worry. No need to worry. Okay? Chalo, exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5, we have to do only question number 1 and 2. Okay? Which of the followings are model for perpendicular lines? Apne perpendicular lines means what? I already explained you, boys. What do you mean by, who will tell me what do you mean by perpendicular lines? ચલો બચ્ચા જલ્દી.
સર એક લાઈન હોય એની માથે બીજી લાઈન હોય.
The baseline, if the line is getting intersected and preparing a right angle, so line L is perpendicular to line M. Can we say like this? If this is line segment M and if this is line L, so line L is perpendicular to line M. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
Okay. So now we have to answer the things. Which of the following models? Some models are given. Which one is the perpendicular lines? The adjacent edges of tabletop. Tabletop no edges. Edges means what? Edges means what? A tabletop chair, for example. Tabletop no edges means a line between two vertex point. ભૂલી ગયા તમે?
હા, યાદ છે.
So edges is forming 90 degree, yes or no? Edges of tabletop, is it forming a perpendicular line?
No.
It is perpendicular. Tabletop તો ટેબલ તમારા ઘરે ટેબલ નથી એક કે? Tabletop is not forming a perpendicular lines to each other. Can we say this is a tabletop if, for example, are the edges is forming a perpendicular to each other?
Yes.
Chalo, the lines of a railway track, lines of a railway track.
No perpendicular.
No perpendicular because it is a parallel lines. Are you getting? The lines are parallelly going, so it is not perpendicular. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
The line segment forming letter L.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. કે letter L છે, capital letter L. Is it perpendicular to each other? Yes. Now letter V.
No.
No. Why?
No.
Because it is not forming 90 degree here. Letter V is not forming 90 degree. So letter L is perpendicular, but letter V, the letter V is not perpendicular. Understood the content?
Yes.
કોઈ નવી વસ્તુ નથી.
Okay, sir.
Question number 2. Very easy. Very, very easy. Read this question, Aliasgar.
Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let
Okay, wait,
PQ.
wait, wait, wait. What is written here? What is written here? Let line segment PQ be perpendicular to line segment XY. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So here it is. What we have to write is PQ. This is P and this is Q is perpendicular to XY. बराबर ना? That is what written. Let PQ be perpendicular to line segment XY. So it is there right here. Now, let PQ and XY intersect at point A. Chalo. What is written here again? This line has to be extended. The intersecting point name has to be given as A. समझाई छे boys? So this line will
Yes,
be
sir.
extended. This line will be extended. Let us extend. Okay. And આને શું નામ આપવાનું છે?
Perpendicular.
No. આને નામ આપવાનું છે Q.
અચ્છા એમ.
PQ. See what is written. Let PQ be perpendicular to line segment XY. P and Q, PQ and XY intersect at point A. So our diagram is ready. Now what they are asking, what is the measure of angle PAY? PAY क्या है भाई? What is the measure angle PAY?
Perpendicular.
Right angle.
PAY is right angle. It is forming 90 degree. PAY, this angle is forming 90 degree. Understood? See the solution given here. The diagram is ready. XY and PQ is intersecting point A and PAY is forming 90 degree. So angle PAY is equal to 90 degree. Our sum is over. સમજાય છે?
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay, boys?
Yeah.
चलो exercise 5.4. Before we do this, we will complete exercise 5.3, which one is the last one. Then we will come to exercise 5.4. Okay? चलो मैथ the following. Exercise 5.3. Math the following. Straight angle કોને કહેવાશે? Less than 1/4 revolution, more than half revolution, 1/4 revolution, one complete revolution. Straight angle. Come on, boys.
Half of a revolution.
Half of a revolution. Very good.
Yes.
Right angle.
1/4.
1/4 of revolution. Very good. Acute angle.
Less than 1/4.
Very
No,
good.
no, sir.
Yes. Less than 1/4 of revolution. Very good. Acute angle. Obtuse angle.
One complete revolution.
Obtuse angle. Obtuse
More
angle.
than half a revolution.
Sir, less than 180, more than 90. Reflector.
Reflex angle is
One complete revolution.
reflex angle is more than half of the revolution. Beta. Reflex angle is more than half of revolution. Okay?
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
But તમે સર obtuse angle નું તો કઈ કીધું જ નહીં કે એનો આન્સર શું છે.
યસ, એનો આન્સર જ નથી બેટા આમાં. Yes. No, it is there. It is there. It is there. It is there. See, obtuse angle is between 1/4. 1/4 at 90 degree and half is 180 degree. So between 1/4 and half of a revolution. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
This is 1/4. 90 degree means what? 1/4. And if I
Yes.
say this is half, if this is half, this is 1/4 and this is half. આખું complete એટલે half થશે 180 degree.
Yes.
So obtuse angle is between from 1/4 to half. Half is over here. So આ બંનેની વચ્ચેનો angle obtuse angle કેવા છે ને?
હા.
So again, starting from the first one, straight angle is what? Straight angle is half of the revolution. Right angle is what?
Less than 1/4 or a
Eh,
revolution.
eh, eh, eh. 1/4 revolution is the right angle. 1/4 revolution. Acute angle is
Less than 1/4 of
less than 1/4 of revolution. Obtuse angle is
between 1 and 4.
1/4
Between
and half of revolution. Reflex angle
Yes.
is,
More than half a revolution.
and one complete angle will be what? Angle with 360 degree. Understood?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this? Then classify each of the following angles: right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex. Right angle che, straight angle che, acute angle che, obtuse che, ke reflex che. That is what we have to answer. First angle is what? First angle is what? Acute angle. समझाई गयो? Second angle is
Straight angle.
a straight angle છે.
No.
This is obtuse angle. Chalo beta, no need to worry. This is not going to ask in exam in FF4. Don't worry at all. Okay. So whatever we did, let me clear you. Whatever we did in the class, that will be only the portion for FA4 exam. Okay. We already finished our chapter number 5, 99% of all the things. Only few of the topics are left, which is not exam oriented topics. Okay, boys?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt with the things what we did in the class?
Yes.
What doubt do you have?
Nothing.
So your FA